When Revit is installed, we need to understand its design's logic and how it operates. Once you open Revit, you have an initial interface like this. There you will have what is called model on the top and families on the bottom. But what are models and families? Let's go to this default project example and explain it from there. Revit have the following structure or scale of hierarchy. You have what is called models, which are the files containing all the information related to a project. Let's take the example of the house. The whole file will be the model of the house, and inside, you will have several subfiles for each elements composing the whole house, such as walls, roofs, ceilings, windows, and so on. Those smaller files inside our model are called families. So, this is a family. And this. And this. This is a very important concept in Revit, as this software's logic is not set on a freehand design way. You need to create families for each element you want to add to our project, so they are edited independently with the idea of reusing them in several modeling. Revit provides by default a wide number of families to work, otherwise the user would need to look for them before start any project. These families are categorized on the top tabs according to the purpose of its use. So, as you can see, we have architectural, structure, steel, precast, and systems. Each one contains a number of basic families preloaded by Revit to be used in your model. So we have established the main concept for Revit, the difference between model and families. Now, inside every family we have what is called types. This is to offer elements with different properties and geometry inside the same family. For example, we have this basic roof as family name, but inside them we can choose among several types of basic roofs to fit our needs. And this is what Knauf Insulation as a manufacturer is providing with its BIM factory. Because, as we said, some families are predetermined and cannot be edited like roofs or walls, for example. So Knauf Insulation provides types of that family on separate files to add them to the main model. All this is to have the idea of what Knauf Insulation offers inside this Revit environment, so-called types. Different modifications of basic elements inside the default families to be added into existing projects. Like this, the user can get our products without the need to create them and look for our information, because we will provide all that inside the model. Remember, what is BIM, visualization plus information, all together.